Hi, I'm Julie O'Grady from LucidLink, and what LucidLink is showing at 2023 is how content creators can get all their data in one centralized, secure location in the cloud and access it like a local drive. LucidLink works with any S3 compatible object storage, AWS, IBM Cloud, Google Cloud, and any creative application, whether you're using Adobe Premiere Pro or Photoshop, something from Avid or Apple. You can use any creative application remotely and access data from anywhere in the world. And while you're accessing that data, you can enable collaboration with all your partners and with all your coworkers from anywhere, simultaneously on the same file. So what that means for creatives is, first of all, they never have to download their content again with LucidLink. They don't have to wait for syncing because there's no synchronization with LucidLink. The single source of truth is in the cloud. Once it's in LucidLink, it's everywhere.